guys, welcome back. So what I'll be doing tonight is, I'm home from work, is installing cold air intake for the VE and this from the Mrs. VE wagon. So I've got everything there. I just have to buy a new one of these where the mass sensor goes. There's that circle, and the other one I have a square. So what I'm gonna do, all I've got is my tools I need. 2 screwdrivers, a little socket set. So I'm putting on some time lapse and we're gonna get cracking and get into it. So as you can see, I unplugged that plug off the side of the air box, which is I think it's an air fuel, must be the air sensor or something. I'm gonna have to do some research, as it doesn't have one for it, but it does have a little hole underneath, so I'm thinking I might have to make that hole bigger and extend the wire over. So but what I'm going to show you is this one here. Is all you for this air pipe is don't know how good you can see this little clip, is pull it yeah, so you just pull it out. Might need a screwdriver, flathead. Just to unclip it there, so it pops out, just like that, and then so it's loose, and it just wiggles off. And then there, the only reason I'm changing it is because it is using oil, so to expect it's the PVC valve up there. And I'll check out the seals eventually, which looks like there is some oil down the front. So what I'm going to do is check it all over, see what I've got to do, and then cut. There you have it, guys, all installed there. Will need a tune eventually once I get the exhaust on it over time, but for now not overly fast. Do have to give it a service. That will be removed, so I'll get that done, get the little panel that goes in there. Yeah, so I'll get that now, but as you can see, I've had to, the airflow sensor, or mass sensor, whatever you want to call it, had to stretch that wire over just to fit it, but it's on there nice and tight, so it's not bad. So do have a few things to go for it. I have sort of figured out a catch can setup for the VEs, which will be eventually in a video when I get time to do it. So I've got my territory to do. Car part sitting there. Here we go. Yeah, as you can see, front mount for the territory. So, mags, just a collection of car parts. So what I do, set it back up in time lapse, get rid of this airbox breather, or part of it. Yeah, and obviously I made a, I don't know if you can see it just there, that sensor that was sitting on the box, airbox. Wasn't too sure where it goes, so I just drilled a little hole, put it in there, series wire, and it's a VE. So yeah, bit of plans for it eventually, so we'll eventually get it done. All right. Alright guys, as you see I've got it in, so now it's all done. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Obviously it only takes half an hour to an hour